Alright folks, looks like we're live. You guys see the title of the stream. We got a special one today. Building an internal UGC system for marketing ViewCreator. So if you guys know what UGC stands for, UGC stands for User Generated Content. And with user generated content, the whole premise is that you create a ton of TikTok, X, or Instagram accounts. Mainly Instagram and TikTok, that's what we're gonna focus on initially. We're gonna create a bunch of accounts that are gonna be serving as internal UGC. An internal UGC is where you manage a bunch of these accounts and you are the one that has the control. So I have Excel or Google Sheets pulled up here on the screen because what we're gonna be doing is we're going to be building the ViewCreator internal user generated content system because guys, you know, one thing in business is that you have to have control over what you're doing, right? You have to be able to know, okay, do I have a marketing system that's going to work? And something that I've heard about is this internal UGC. And so we're going to build it. We're going to build an internal UGC system. And to do that, it's going to be quite straightforward. In fact, over the next few hours, we're going to be working and we are going to be building it in this stream. It's going to be the only focus and we're going to be locked in. And let me know the Discord that I'm going to let everybody know that we're live. All right. What's up, chat? What's up, Sebastian? What's good, Sonny? Let's go. W intro. We got plenty more. We're gonna be playing some classical trap. It's a little bit of different vibe, but guys, we got a different vibe. We're working on marketing. You know, you gotta lock in on that marketing, guys. So we're gonna lock in. I think I have an idea of how I want to do this, and I'll be talking about it as I go. But let's lock in, guys. There's no time to mess around. Let's get it. Everything's going good. We're about to grind. No classical trap? You guys don't have classical trap right now? Yeah, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna turn the music up and I'm gonna let you guys know what we're doing, but we're gonna be grinding, alright? We're gonna be getting turnt in this stream, alright? Let's get it, guys. Let me know about the volume. It's gonna be loud, but that's alright. Alright, so we need to come up with usernames, emails, and then what else do we need? I mean, that's really it, right? And then what are we gonna do? Are we gonna do, alright, so usernames, so it's gonna be anything associated with ViewCreator, right? So I'm gonna say, I need you to create for me 10 usernames for an internal user-generated content system. All of them should have the word ViewCreator in them. Okay, so you guys see this? So I'm gonna use ChatGPT here, and I'm gonna have ChatGPT create 10 different usernames for us. All right, so ViewCreator admin, ViewCreator alpha, ViewCreator AI, ViewCreator testbot, ViewCreator marketing. I don't like admin, testbot, creator 01, system. All right, we're doing push-ups. Hold up, we're doing push-ups real quick, guys. Let's do some push-ups. We gotta lock in. All right, hold up, I'm gonna do them too. All right, let's go, guys. I was doing to the beat of the music. All right, let's get it. Let's create these accounts and let's go, guys. No time to mess around. We gotta lock in. What's up, Ryan? We're lit right now. It's all right. You missed a stream. We got a ton going on right now. Let's get it. All right, ViewCreator vibes. How about ViewCreator media? ViewCreator team. ViewCreator marketing. ViewCreator AI. ViewCreator channel. ViewCreator hub. Which other ones do you guys like? ViewCreator media. ViewCreator labs. Can you make them a little bit more unique and catchy? Like almost like they're standalone channels. All right, let's try a little bit more unique. ViewCreator Pulse. I don't know. ViewCreator Core. I don't know. What do you guys think? We need to create these. I don't think it matters a ton. Maybe let's just get started with 5. Maybe 10 is a little bit ambitious. Let's just get started with 5. ViewCreator media, ViewCreator team, ViewCreator marketing, ViewCreator AI, ViewCreator channel. All right. And then, or how about instead of the underscore, how about we do a dot? I feel like that looks better. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, that's better. Guys, I did make a marketing video before this, and you know, it's like Screen Studio does make it pretty easy. I'll show it to you guys. Here, I sent it in the Discord a little bit. All right, check this out. All right, there's this one right here. All right, hold up. Let me pause this. All right, so this was the video I made, guys. Thumbnails that don't drive clicks. Let me show you a. All right, listen to my hook. My hook was pretty good. What I tried to do is I need to have a hook, right? Like you need to have some sort of sell point that you give to people, and you essentially say, hey, like this is why you should try my product, right? So I tried that out, and here you guys will see what I said, and I'll kind of talk about it after. But watch this. Hold on, let's hit play. Stop wasting your time and money creating YouTube thumbnails that don't drive clicks. Let me show you a tool on ViewCreator.ai that allows you to easily create YouTube thumbnails in seconds using AI. So you know, that was like my pitch, right? And I think that when I think about, hey, what do you need to get to the next level of whatever you're working on, whether that's a project, whether it's a business, you have to ask yourself, what is it that I need to take the next step towards, you know, completing this goal, right? And for me, you know, these videos don't have to be perfect, right? And I think that's the approach that you need to take, because to be completely honest with you, it took me like 4 or 5 takes, and each take was like 4 to 5 minutes. So I was recording for like 30 minutes, and I kept messing up, and I kind of like kept messing up the demo, and I was like, dang, I'm just gonna restart. And what I was thinking was, okay, this is, you know, this is time consuming, you know, this is hard. But the thing is that I am going to get better at it if I just continue to do it. So it doesn't matter about the quality now. Just do the best that you can, right? But then as time goes on, you will naturally get better at it if you just keep doing the thing that you're doing. So it doesn't matter what the results are. It just matters that you continue to do the thing. So stop worrying about if something is failing or if something is not working out. You have to just have that vision of your mind, so ingrained in your mind, and you believe in it that you know that you're going to achieve it. And because you can envision it, you can achieve it. That's it. You don't have to worry about the results, the daily results, because, you know, when I look at it, you know, there's people that I've talked to, and it seems like, you know, 64 days is a lot of days for us to be doing this. But guys, it's not. We're just getting started. And if you want to make it happen, like, yes, there's stories online of people that they start doing something and then it just makes it sound like they always like just get super wealthy super fast and that their product works and all this, right? And the thing is you just can't, you have to block out that noise, because like in the real world, like sometimes, like, yes, those edge cases do happen, but in the real world, and even like those edge cases, they don't necessarily, like, that's not the true story. Like it may look like it was like overnight, but all of those founders, all of those people had their own stories as well. And I hope that, you know, what I'm able to do is to be able to share a little bit about that story. And this is part of that story, right? Figuring out the marketing. This is something that we're going to need to figure out, but I know that we will be able to figure it out. So, you know, that's a rant, but Ramsey, what's up? Jose? Sebastian, what's good? Jesse, what's up? Yep, unexpected. I just had to do it. So today we're going to be working on the internal UGC system. And what we need to, and the reason that we need to do this is because we need to start promoting this content. And to be able to promote this content, what we can do is we can build an internal UGC system where, you know, we are able to just post from like 5 different accounts. So we're going to set all of these emails up as well, because something that you can set up just like from a technical perspective, right? From a technical perspective, actually, I think we can just do equals, and then can't we do like something like this, like plus, and then what can we do? Can we do, let's see, at ViewCreator.ai. Can't we do this? Isn't that how that works? Oh, man. Should have paid more attention in Excel, guys. All right, good thing we got AI here. All right, so we're going to just screenshot that. So, Nizer, what's good? Fix the formula. You know, something that's interesting is that I get so tired of using the ChatGPT thinking, because it's just so, it's like takes way too long. So, okay, so there it is. So autofill, cool, yes. Okay, so here will be our emails. So this will be the emails for each account. And I think that what we'll do is we'll be able to just create these accounts, and we'll create the emails, like the email aliases, and then we'll be able to sign up for a bunch of different accounts. And that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna play some music, and we're just gonna grind, guys, because this is an important part of the process. And I think that this is something that I can do to not have to rely on like factors outside of my control. Like sometimes when you're getting started on something, there are factors that are outside of your control, and sometimes with the marketing, it feels like it's outside of my control. But if I have ownership over multiple different accounts and I'm able to post from all these different accounts, you know, maybe we can hook it up with some system that connects like a ton of different accounts, if you guys know what I'm saying. So like, let's see this. Are there platforms where I can hook up to like a ton of different social media accounts on Instagram and TikTok and X and be able to schedule posts from them? You know, for like an internal UGC campaign. So we're gonna see like, hey, is this possible? All right, and I think it is. So if we just lock in for like the next couple hours, we'll be able to get this done. And that's what I wanna do on this stream, is that I think this is an important part of the process. And guys, like I do the streams and we do a lot of vibe coding, right? But that's not the only thing that goes into it. And I think that I need to start getting used to streaming additional parts, particularly related to the marketing, because I think that marketing is even more important than the actual product that you build. So we're really gonna have to focus in on marketing, because that's really the obstacle that's in our way right now, is definitely marketing. So all right, so we're gonna go to Hootsuite. All right, social media marketing tool here. So drive real business impact with real-time social insights. Hootsuite makes it easy. Let's go to pricing. So $250 a month. How many do you get? All right, up to 10 social accounts, unlimited social accounts. All right, so on Hootsuite, the $249 a month plan, we get unlimited accounts. Pay monthly? Oh wow, it's 400. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Wow, 400. All right, bulk schedule up to 350 posts at once. Benchmark against 20 competitors. Guys, I think we're gonna need this software. I think we're gonna need to buy it. It does have a free 30-day free trial. So, I mean, it is expensive. So, All right, let's look up some competitors. What is this? I feel like I'm in like. All right, Christmas. What the heck? There we go. All right, so later, influencer marketing and social media management. All right, come on, you know what we're about. Pricing. Social media marketing management. All right, so $50 a month. All right, so 2 social sets, 2 of each. 6 social sets. So a big difference between iDev, I don't know. All right, so we have to decide between this and this one, but I think this is going to be a needed expense, guys. We're gonna have to pull the trigger on this, guys. So should we send the $400 a month plan? Let me know, chat. Let me know, chat. $400 a month. Hey, you get 30 days free, though. Let's make it happen, guys. $400 a month. Let's get it. All right, where's the credit card at? All right, I gotta get a credit card out, guys. He wants my credit. All right, $400 a month. We're sending it. We gotta use the business card. We're using the business card on this one, guys. Let's go. Let's go. $400 a month. Wow, their onboarding system is... Alright, hold up.
Street knowledge.
Oh my gosh, I am locked in. Yeah, this 400. We got 400 going down, boys. But you know what? That's all right. All right, your email has been verified. Let's go. 400 down the drain. Oh wow, it's okay. So we'd like to get to know you. They really like to get me know me. They're like, who's this idiot that just bought the $400 subscription? It's BridgeMind. All right, BridgeMind was the one that bought it. They're like, don't worry about him. It's just Bridge. Like, yep, let's get it. All right, what are you looking for? I want to plan my content calendar, and I want to be able to schedule and publish content in one place. Yes. All right, this is for just me. I currently manage my own business. In Hootsuite, I will do both hands-on work, do the hands-on work myself. I'm ready to schedule or publish my content. Let's go. All right, add social accounts. So we have Instagram. Do we have X? Is X an option or not? Oh yeah, they have Twitter still, I guess. Okay, so we're probably gonna be able to spam Instagram business, TikTok business, and Twitter. Oh, also guys, you already know what I'm about to drop. I'm about to drop the Discord link. If you haven't joined the Discord, I don't know what you're doing. Let me pin it in the chat. Let's get it. All right, it's also in the description if you're watching the VOD, because guys, this is gonna be big. This is going to be one that people are going to have to refer to because we're about to build an internal UGC system. Like I did, guys. This is a big step forward. You know, I was making that marketing today, and I was thinking to myself, man, I need to lock in. Like, yeah, they're trying to get my info, but that's all right. All right, let's at least integrate a couple. So I definitely want to integrate like the normal ViewCreator account, right? And I do have a ViewCreator account, so I want to just authenticate essentially here. Or wait, should I do that later on? Or no, let's just do it now. It's all right. All right, so I'm gonna basically. All right, yes, that's fine. All right, so we're on Bridge Mind. I mean, we have literally unlimited, so we might as well just authenticate everything, right? So I just added one. It wants me to authenticate on X now. All right. So let's just do Bridge Mind. And I'm gonna authorize. You guys can't see it, it's all sensitive, but I'm about to show my screen in a second. All right, then we'll do. Sure, we'll do. Alright, that's fine. We'll add more later. Alright. And here we are. Alright, let's get you into Hootsuite. Okay, let's go. Alright, so basically with Hootsuite, we're going to be able to create internal UGC campaigns. So over here, we have an Excel file where we're essentially going to be creating like, you know, emails and stuff to be able to, you know, manage these. Doom, I didn't get a link from you, bro. Alright, so with Hootsuite, we are going to be able to launch these campaigns. So if I click like create a post, for example, it's going to allow me to post from these here. Okay, let's take the tour. Sure, let's go. Alright. Okay, choose where to publish. So you can literally just publish which accounts you want to publish. Why are we listening to Christmas music right now? Sorry about this, guys. Don't know how that happened. There we go. Alright, so we can literally publish to whatever account we want. Write your caption. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, so I can literally add like these different accounts. So... Okay, so I can literally post. I can do like a campaign. So I can make a campaign. And this campaign... you can post like on these different things that you select. Okay, so that makes sense. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to create all these accounts, and then we're gonna have to actually start like posting on them. So we're gonna have 5 accounts internally, but one thing, guys, this is why we need a UGC system. This is why we need to use UGC, because we essentially need people posting about ViewCreator. So it's very important and it's critical. And I am just now kind of realizing how critical it actually is. And I want to focus in on it. And I just have to get used to, you know, actually streaming these parts. So this is going to be the first, you know, and we're going to work on this for a couple hours because we got to lock in, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to GoDaddy. And over on GoDaddy, what I need to do is I actually need to, you know, add what's called email aliases. So I obviously have a business email set up, right? And now what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to create email aliases. All right. So Hootsuite, let's like check it out a little bit more too, though. So okay, hourly GPT. DM automation. What? What? Hold up. DM automation. Invite people to use a specific keyword in the comments of an Instagram post or reel and automatically reply to their comment and send them a direct message. What? Automated DMs? Guys, I'm literally about to have the bots on you guys. All right, add a Facebook account. Oh, wow. So you can actually do ads on this as well. Interesting. No, I already have GoDaddy set up. I already have everything. GoDaddy's pretty good. All right, so wow, we can actually do ad accounts too, which is incredible. Okay. Wow, the ads are going to be really interesting. Thanks, NS. Let's go. Let's go, Linux. Thanks, guys. All right, so we can do create a post. I mean, so I just am trying to kind of like get used to this a little bit. And okay. All right, so something really important is that with email, if you have an email on GoDaddy, you can do something called setting up aliases. And I'm about to show this to you guys. All right, so here's like the current email aliases that I have, all right? Check this out. All right, so Matthew at ViewCreator.ai, right? And then I can add as many aliases as I want. And I can use these email aliases to actually sign up for things like, you know, TikTok and Instagram and X. And yeah, I'll have to spend a lot of time signing up for them. But guys, like, I think this is part of the process. Like, there's work that goes into marketing, just like there's work that goes into actually creating a product. So we're about to start working on marketing more, guys, because that's getting really, really important. All right, so literally just ViewCreator Media. Adding ViewCreator.media. This is now an email. All right, if I refresh this, loading your aliases, ViewCreator.media. So now let's do ViewCreator.team. ViewCreator marketing. ViewCreator.ai. That one we kind of already have. ViewCreator.ai at ViewCreator.ai. All right, sure. That's fine. Makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna start with 5. All right, we got 5 emails. All right, now let me log in and everything. Let's go. All right, we gotta start logging up for stuff, right? I'm going to do an internal UGC campaign. I have these emails now that I will be signing up for on social media accounts. There's one more. Hold on, it hasn't loaded yet, right? That channel. One, two, three, four. Aren't I missing one? 7. Which one am I missing? Channel, marketing, AI. Did the team one not go in? Yeah. Interesting. All right. What are the best practices when creating and properly managing internal UGC campaigns? I am using Hootsuite now with unlimited accounts that I can connect to be able to create X, TikTok, and Instagram accounts. What do I need to do to make sure I don't get shadow banned on any of these accounts? All right, so shadow banning, I'm pretty sure is a thing. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get around that. All right, strategic setup, account identity and separation. So example roles you need to assign. Okay, so it said that example, okay, so this is very interesting. Strategic setup. Okay, each of those emails, like viewcreator.marketing@viewcreator.ai, should represent a distinct persona or theme, not just clones of the brand. Okay, so main brand account, YouTube or community highlights, ad experience campaign snippets. Okay. When connecting many accounts to Hootsuite, follow these principles. Use a consistent proxy IP strategy. Avoid logging into all accounts from the same IP directly, especially TikTok and Instagram. Use browser profiles. Okay, that's a good one. So I do have Nord set up, so we can use Nord, and we'll just like go to somewhere different, basically. Or could we build a system for that? You know, I don't know. Unique devices and fingerprints. Each account should ideally have its own device identity. Hootsuite masks some of this, but if you ever log in manually, use different browsers or VM profiles. Okay, interesting. So, what is that saying? It's saying that, yo, is Hung online? Is Hung here? I need to talk to Hung if he's here. Let me see if he's online. All right, use a consistent proxy IP strategy. Avoid, okay, we already did that. Okay, so use browser profiles. Okay, I'm trying to think. So should I essentially set up different browser profiles for all of these? Is that literally what it needs? I mean, it is right here. So I should set up different browser profiles for each of these on Google Chrome. Exactly. That's one of the smartest, safest moves you can make for internal UGC campaigns. Let's go over why and how to do this right for ViewCreator so you stay completely clear of TikTok, Instagram, X shadow bans, or account linking flags. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, X track more than just your login credentials. They track browser fingerprints, IP addresses, and device IDs, login behavior, how quickly you switch actions and what actions you take, session consistency. Is it bad if I only use this on my computer, or does it need to be an iPhone? Like, is there any difference between accessing it from a computer versus like an iPhone? That's going to be an interesting thing to find out. All right, Hung's not here. Yeah. Thanks, Jesse. All right, so it says the desktop. So they strongly favor activity from mobile devices. Interesting. Thanks, Jesse. Kelly Strad asked, does ViewCreator work well for app promotion style content? Yeah, I think it does. You know, man, I just had an idea. Currently, I'm also doing the same. I have around 5 TikTok accounts on the same iPhone, and currently I'm getting around 3 to 5K per video per account. So my case, at least it's working fine with one iPhone. Okay, that's actually really helpful. Shout out to Sebastian. Okay, so that's interesting. So what Sebastian is saying is that he's doing this right now, and he has 5 TikTok accounts, and he's using the same phone. And we need to figure that out because... hey, if we're gonna just get shadow banned after setting all this stuff up, you know, then that's gonna be an issue, right? Hold on, let me change the music a little bit. We got the Christmas music on. All right, hold up. I'm gonna switch up the vibe. All right, so you know, we're gonna have to figure this out. I think it may be worth, I mean, if we just do it from on the desktop from different Chrome profiles. Because also a benefit of but the thing is, once we actually like start posting, if we're using Hootsuite, does it matter? Or does somebody actually need to be like logged in and using it? That's what I'm trying to figure out. So tell me what Hootsuite does. Like is there a possibility that I wouldn't, like once I create the account, I could just completely manage it on Hootsuite? Is that possible? All right, it connects directly to your accounts, obviously, via their official APIs. It's designed for centralized scheduling, publishing, monitoring, and analytics. All right, once you connect to each account, you'll need to log in once to authorize. You can create and schedule posts, auto-publish to all platforms, engage and reply. Wow, okay. Okay, that's huge. That's huge. Great for engagement if you don't want to open the mobile apps. All right, Danny said Hootsuite will give you a posting calendar. All right, let's go. Danny in the chat. NS, I'm dead. NS. All right. All right. Thank you, Danny. All right, I got NS in the chat. NS, do you see what we're doing for the marketing, man? What do you think? What does NS think? We got W Dan in chat. We got NS in chat. We got Jesse Pinkman in chat. We got Linux in chat. Let's go. All right. So it's not 100% replacement for native apps. They still favor in-app authenticity or activity. Wonder if there's a API for getting the trending sounds in TikTok. Are there any APIs for getting the trending sounds in TikTok? Oh my gosh, Danny, I'm dead. Danny, how is it? Is it good? Wait, hold on. I need to look this up. I need to look this up real quick. The DGX Spark. This is what W Dan has. Oh my gosh, what even is that thing? All right, hold up. You got to go to NVIDIA's official website. This is what. Can you use it with a Mac? A Grace Blackwell AI supercomputer on your desk. Oh my gosh. Hold up. We at least gotta ask a question. Hold up. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. All right, guys, we're copping this. We are copping. I'm trying to be like W Dan. How do I hook it up to a Mac? Can I hook it up to Cursor AI? How fast is it? You can run heavy AI model development on the DGX Spark. What models can it run? So you could run local models on this thing. How fast would it be if I was running local models on it?
Make it funky.
How many tokens per second? Answer in one line. How many tokens per second would I get using the DGX Spark myself to run a local model to code? $20 to 60 tokens a second? Nah, that can't be right. All right, Danny, you'll have to let us know. That doesn't sound good. If it was like insane, then I would definitely pull the trigger. Yeah, let me know. Let me know, Danny. That sounds insane, though. I literally will buy one if it's good. Nvidia stock went up like crazy this week. I was like, what? I was like, that is insane.
Riot's beats, make it funk, funk,
Back to our conversation on the internal UGC campaign. How do I best approach this? Should I set up different Chrome profiles, or what do you think I actually need to do to get started fast and at least test it out?
make it funk, funk, funk.
I mean, it does say to do the separate Chrome profiles. Alright, well, we'll try this out. So if I just do add Chrome profile. Oh, you can continue without an account. Wait. Profile, add. Oh, add.
Riot's beats, make it funk, funk, funk.
Alright, let me use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some water as well. We're gonna be locked in, guys. Like I'm trying to get this like actually figured out and create some accounts and get this started. So let's go. All right, let's go. No, I deprecated goalpost. Goalpost is deprecated. I shut down the AWS infrastructure. Jeez, Mexologies. So do I need to create a new Chrome profile for each email? gonna relaunch Goalpost. Yeah, we're gonna relaunch it. All right. Easy Chrome CMD plus Shift plus P workflow. Command Shift P. What do you mean, Danny? What does this mean? I'm for real entering your guys' comments in chat. All right, open DevTools. All right, Jesse. All right. Oh, we got a song from Jesse here, and he's been pulling up to the streams. He's had a good vibe, so we're gonna play this song because Jesse is yeah, he's a real one. All right. So here's a song that he sent. This is Jesse. All right, Control Shift M. Which one do I use? No, I have a ViewCreator .ai email. I'm just saying that it's set up with Outlook, not email. Wait, I'm not thinking. I don't know enough about this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna pause the music. Nice song, Jesse. I didn't understand a word it said, but that's all right. Download Safari. All right. So I got a quick question. So, does anybody know? Like, I can just do it without my Outlook email, right? Because I already have set up email aliases. So. I just get a Gmail address, right? No, I already have an email address.
One, two. Public service announcement for all the people out there listening to this funky ass boom bap.
Oh, I kind of want to do that.
Check it out.
You should use the continue without signing in option. Okay. Okay. Can I do this? Does it even matter, guys, or am I just tripping? Okay. Thanks, Drake, and I'm happy to welcome you into the community, dude. Let's go. Here's the playlist, guys. Alright, I am like just not understanding this. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of learning in real time. I'm just trying to figure this out. So I have these Chrome profiles, but I'm trying to figure out how I actually. So which button do I click? Oh my gosh, I have such an AI brain, guys. Which button do I click? Okay. Well, my question, Danny, is that, hey, once I actually get it into, I mean, I am paying $400 a month now for Hootsuite. I got a free trial, but we have it here. We have the full plan, so we can integrate as many accounts as we want. We can literally do as many as we want. Hootsuite. So check this out, guys. So Hootsuite, let's look at their pricing. All right, their pricing. We got advanced, and so yeah, we got advanced. So it's saying that you just click this. Hold on. So, oh shoot, that's fine. So Danny's saying that he used Hootsuite back in 2016, and that's definitely evolved. It was $60 a month back then. All right, so what it wants us to do is it wants us to simply just when we get to that step, go to add, and then you just do continue without an account. And then you can name it. Okay. All right, I'm like, all right. So you can use Google Chrome without an account. I'm sorry, guys, that took me a while. All right, so now I can name it. So ViewCreator Marketing. All right, this is my first try. This is my first time. All right, so now yeah, Jose, I think this is the best one. So honestly, the place that we're in right now, guys, is, you know, I need to get the sales running. So this is an investment that I need to make because I need to figure this out. And I think that it's actually going to pay off. Like, I think that we're going to be able to get enough use out of this that, you know, it'll pay off. All right, let's go to TikTok. TikTok, here I am. I'm ready to bot. I'm ready to create some bots here. All right, use email. All right, hold up here, gang. Ultimate said Sweet 1.5 blows composer out of the water. Okay. Should I give them all different birthdays? Oh my gosh, should I give them all different birthdays or? Oh jeez. All right. So we're currently working on this one. Birthdays. Hey, let's go. right, let's go. Send the code. Oh, shoot. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, that was the code coming through. Let's go. All right, hold up. All right, where's it at? I don't know, I gotta dig through the vault. You guys use Bitwarden? All right, I have our verification code. I'm literally not even gonna paste it in. Oh gosh, it says continue on our app. Ugh. It says for security purposes, continue on our app. Oh shoot. Hold up, I think I just killed the music, right? I feel like once we get it down, once we do it at least once, we'll have a little better feel for it. What the heck, it's not letting me continue my account. Oh, okay. All right, so I'm gonna do add account. Saying that the account doesn't exist. I just made the account. No. Oh, man. I might just do it from the same phone. I mean, I don't know. Is it really gonna... right, I'm gonna do it all on my phone, guys. So we're just gonna jam out, and I'm gonna be creating these accounts. I've got a lot of them to create, so. All right, that worked. It's a lot easier on your phone, guys. All right, so now we're gonna deck this account out. All right, so I just created this account. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna be streaming for a while. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just gonna be sharing this because I think this is important. Like, that's kind of my goal here is I'm gonna need to grind. I don't care if it takes me till like 9 o'clock at night. We're gonna get all this done. Yeah, we're gonna get all this done. So probably gonna order some DoorDash here because we need to lock in. We're gonna be doing this for hours. I might, since I got this on my phone, I might change up the layout a little bit. I might change the camera and just like I'm gonna be on the freaking couch grinding. A little change of scenery today, yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in chat. Because I need to do all this on my phone. Like, it was so easy to create the TikTok from right there. So I think I'm gonna use the computer for sure. But yeah, let me go to the bathroom and get some DoorDash real quick, and yeah, let me know in chat what you guys want. Yeah, this is, I don't even know how long it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be for a while. Yeah, probably like for like a lot of hours because honestly, guys, like I think this is just as important as the programming, and like I haven't been showing a lot of this part yet, and I think I'm gonna have to start doing it. You know, just show like basically this is a big deal. We got to get this set up. So. All right, gang. There's the setup. I gotta pull up chat though. All right, good idea, Doom. Alright, you guys see that? Alright, cool. Alright. Changing it up. This is the couch here. Even make this bigger. Oops. All right, guys. Let's get it. We got work to do. I'll have chat up on my computer. Hey, Jesse's pulling an all-nighter. Let's go. We're grinding tonight, Jesse. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's get it. So I've got the same Google Docs that you guys are looking at. I'm about to log in from my computer here. All right, so we just did this one. So here I am. We have ViewCreator marketing now. So this one's, let's just do a check. TikTok, true. Instagram, false. And, oh, music's too loud. Shoot. Hold up, guys. Oh. This, okay, we're chill. We're good. Alright, we're good. Alright, what about now, gang? Let me know. Let me know if the mic's good. We're kind of vibing out a little bit. Alright. Alright, is that good? Let me know if that's better. Move the mic over here. Alright, and then the last one we're gonna do is X. Alright, this is false. Should we do X or should we just focus on Instagram and TikTok? I wanna ask. I'm gonna ask, should we do X too? The other one we could do is Facebook, but is that an option? Or, I'm not sure. All right, Mike's better, cool. All right, it's telling me to do X accounts, so we're gonna do X accounts. YouTube Shorts, but I don't think we can create like a ton of channels on YouTube. Would you recommend YouTube as well? Or is there a limit to how many accounts I can create? I'm pretty sure like you can't create unlimited YouTube channels, you know? Okay. Okay, yeah, you can use multiple. Okay, we'll add YouTube to the list. Shoot. All right, YouTube's over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on, let me. All right, I lost my finance bro touch. Alright, verify your email, so now I have to log in my email. Alright, cool. Oh, shoot. Alright, email's verified. Now I'm going to the username. All right, I'm literally gonna use ViewCreator to create the like the different profile icons for this. So I'm gonna show you guys this. We're gonna use this real quick. Hold up. All right, I want to show this part for sure. All right, we'll go back to that view too. But all right, so we're gonna use ViewCreator to be able to create these. Okay, so we're literally gonna go. I'm just gonna go local because I can give myself infinite credits. I literally have infinity credits on ViewCreator. Alright. So I'm going to go to the playground. And then I'm just going to go to Canva. And I'm going to go to this. I'm going to do a transparent background. And then I'm going to go back to ViewCreator, and I'm going to drop this in. And then I'm going to say, create the I think this is the way to do it. Oh, what? It wouldn't look bad once it's actually minimalized. Yeah, we're gonna be grinding for a minute. All right, guys, what are we doing? Push-ups. All right, we just ordered DoorDash. We're gonna be grinding, all right? This is where you grind, okay? This is called grinding. There's a reason they call it grinding. All right, the reason it's called grinding is because you need to grind, all right? You need to work like a lot of hours. If you want to be successful, you got to work a lot of hours. So we're going to be working a lot of hours today. Let's get it, guys. All right, let's go. All right, that's terrible. That's just gonna be better to use Canva on this. Can you just change the backgrounds? All right, can we just do this? That's why the AI is not really there yet. That's the most frustrating part about some stuff is that, you know, that's fine. I feel like we just aren't prompting it good enough. Canva's doing too much. I want a solid background. $35 Go Warren? What's that? Yeah, that's fire. Hey, let's go. Let's go, that's fire. All right. Airdrop. Give me that. That's why you get an apple. Let's go. Give me that. Thank you, Apple. Wow, that one was flawless. That one was a doozy. All right, what are my pronouns, guys? What are ViewCreator Marketing's pronouns? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, 35. We'll do more. We're definitely gonna be doing more push-ups. Gato, what's good? Good to see you, man. Yeah, we're back to grinding. 5 colorways. Number of images, 4. Oh shoot. Input it in the wrong section. There you go. Create 4 different colorways with different backgrounds that are unique, but keep the ViewCreator logo centered. All right, if we can do this, this is so sick. All right, somebody clip this if this works, because. All right, let's go. I don't think I've ever actually created more than 1 image. I've never tested that myself. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it works. I don't think I QA tested that.
That really is not for sale.
Thanks, Jesse. Because I think that how it should work. Oh, did it fail? Why did it fail? All right, back into the mainframe. All right, that is off. Kill the task running on port 3001. That composer model really is insanely fast, guys. Might as well patch that bug while we're on it. Alright, so let's just do 2 this time, and it's probably gonna throw the same error, so. Guys, I got into a Twitter beef with somebody today. There's this guy, I won't even say his name, but just this guy was like kind of hating on the new model, and I could just tell that he hadn't even tried it. So, alright, I did create 4 colorways. Oh, that's sick. What? That's insane. Alright, honestly, that's actually so badass. I'm just gonna use it. Alright. Alright, so I will use these. It'll be a second till I have to even use them, but let's just send it to my phone. Alright, we got DoorDash on the way, guys. If you're just tuning in, we are grinding. I'm making a bunch of social media accounts, and I dropped $400 on this Hootsuite software, so we can basically do a bunch of internal UGC campaigns. So I basically just have to lock in for like a couple hours, and all I have to do on repeat is create a bunch of social media accounts. So we're pretty much locked in here at the moment. So I'm now gonna go over to Instagram and repeat the process here. Literally just locked in on this. I mean, all I have to do is lock in for like a couple hours, and this should be done. This is just a time issue. All right, let's go. All right, so remember, we're gonna do 5. So we gotta create 20 accounts, guys. That's actually a decent amount of accounts. We're gonna be here for a minute.
You got anything to say to that? Answer me when I talk to you.
Oh, this song's fire. I don't even know who to follow. Do I need to follow people? Alright, Luzavog said, what's your go-to vibe coding agent now? Cursor 2.0, Codex, Cloud Code, or Droid? Also, have you tried Minimax 2.0? I haven't tried Minimax, but Cursor 2.0 is really good. My favorite is probably Cursor, followed by Codex and Cloud Code, and then Droid. Alright, so I just changed the name now, the Instagram. Alright, so you know what we need? We need bios. In the bio section. And then we need there we go. This song's fire too. Alright guys, we're just jamming out today. We're vibing. Alright. Alright, so I have an Instagram account. Alright, so now let me go over to TikTok and paste that same thing in. Alright, now X. All right. We got TikTok spinning up, or X spinning up. Lezivog said he'll have to try out Cursor 2.0 then. 20-year-old here. Working on creating a SaaS, and you're the one that keeps me up to date with the vibe coding tools. Yeah, happy to help. Yeah, as you guys know, it's like I was talking to somebody on Twitter today. It was interesting just because, they oh shoot. But yeah, I was talking to somebody on X, and they were kind of like bashing the new SWE model, and I was kind of like, hey, it was just one of those AI influencers, and I'm so tired of like these goofy AI influencers that aren't actually like in the trenches. Like, in my opinion, if you want to be like giving opinions on a bunch of models, like, you need to actually be in the trenches. Like, you need to be using them so that when you try out a model and you try it on your your project, you kind of get that feel for it. Thanks, Doom. Yeah, I would definitely try Cursor. Oh shoot, usernames literally have to be only 15 characters on X. They can only be 15 characters. Oh, where's that chat? So I don't know what to do on that. Anybody got any ideas? Because we have these usernames or these, but on X, it's only 15 characters, so like you can't fit ViewCreator.marketing in that. Let's see here. X usernames can only be 14 characters. Give me the usernames for each of these. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I'm just asking chat, see what chat thinks. I don't think the username really matters. They need to be like a little bit readable though. MKT. Alright, so we now have the X account set up. So now just copy the bio again. All right, X is now done. Yeah, overkill. We're grinding tonight. We got DoorDash coming. We're gonna be tuning up. Yeah, smart doom. All right. Now, how do I set up multiple YouTube channels as well for this? And I can just go to the app and see. I'm not using Gmail Doom. Alright, I'm trying to think through what the best option for this actually is. Here's what I see. Maybe I literally do this on the computer. Maybe YouTube's one that I can actually do through Google Chrome since it's not, you know, one of the apps that have the security. View all channels. Okay, yes, create a channel. Okay, gotcha. All right, cool. All right. So this one I can actually do just in YouTube, which is nice because I have Google Chrome. So we'll do this one in YouTube, which is perfect. All right, so. All right, create channel. All right, so this actually finishes up, and then what we're gonna do is now that we have all four, we're actually gonna see, hey, can we now hook them up to? Can we hook them up? All right, so now I can go over here. So this is the new channel I just set up. Nice job, Overkill. That's awesome. My DoorDash is here. All right, so this is now, let's publish this. Yeah, Overkill, good for you. Nah, Overkill, it doesn't matter how big or small your project is, man. What matters is that you're actually building projects and you're working on stuff. That's what matters. So congratulations, that's freaking awesome. Thanks for sharing. You should, we're hosting the project sharing event on Discord this weekend on Sunday. I don't know if you guys saw that, but we have a project sharing event on Discord this Sunday at 1 p.m. I think it's at 2 p.m. right now. Maybe end up getting moved to 1 p.m., but it's definitely going to be on Sunday. So if you guys want to come and actually share your projects, I'm going to be there, and essentially you'll have the opportunity to be on stage and talk about your project and kind of like show, the community what you're doing. So, yeah. Thanks, Danny. Okay. So now let's go over to Hootsuite and see if we can actually get all this hooked up. Because if we can do it once, we can do it over and over again. And also, I'll get a lot faster at it. Alright, add social account. Alright, so I'm gonna just go to... Should I do Facebook? Alright, here's the problem. You can't do just Instagram. That's an issue. All right, let's add Facebook to the list. Okay. Sorry, gang. I'm eating right by the mic. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so we're gonna have to create Facebook as well. Oh, Instagram business. Okay. So we'll just turn this to an Instagram business account. Jesse, get some sleep, man. So literally, we're gonna have like 25 accounts then. 25 accounts. That's insane. Where to dog? That's all good, Jesse. I'm just gonna be creating accounts, man. Rest up, bro. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna do 25 accounts. Alright, hold on. Hold back. Alright, we're about to lock in. No, because we're gonna do it for all these emails. We got a ton of different emails to do this with, so. Alright, let's go hit the couch again. We'll do Hootsuite a bit later. Also, I think to create a Facebook account, it's a little bit different because I guess with Facebook, like you can see there, you know, we're gonna add them all into Hootsuite. I just am wondering, should we do that after all the account creation, or should we do that before? Because I just kind of got the workflow for these ones. So this is now, like this is now true. This is now true. So we can leave Facebook, or we can just do Facebook right now. Let's just do Facebook right now. I feel like it's worth it to do Facebook. Oh, so I did create ViewCreator marketing. All good, Jesse. Have a good weekend, man. That's what I'm doing right now, Doom. Yeah, Georgievich, exactly. And that's why we're doing it, you know? See you, Jesse. Have a good night. W Dan. Let's go, guys. We're gonna be grinding for a minute. I'm 20% of the way there. That's not that bad. Okay. Oh wow, it's already connected. Okay, so this is ready. So I'm gonna do Hootsuite here, because I don't think you guys can even, I won't be able to show it to you guys anyway, so. Alright. So I'm gonna connect these 5, and we're just gonna see how it works on these 5 to get started.
Riot's beats, make it funky, funky.
If you guys are watching and haven't already liked and subscribed, make sure you do so. We're grinding. Alright, looks like I can only access it from one device or something, because it's not letting me sign in on my computer. Why is that happening? Alright, oh well. I think we'll just have to... Alright, let's see if we can at least authenticate here.
Beats, make it funky.
Okay, log into Facebook. Something went wrong. Apparently something went wrong. Alright, so here you go. So if I go to create and I do a post, I can go to select, I can click add social account, and then I can go to Instagram business account. Log in. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, it's letting me add all three.
Riot's beats.
Oh, wow.
Funky.
Alright guys, literally look at this. It let me do all three at the same time. That was actually really easy. Alright, so I literally just connected all three of those. And then I can connect them to my existing ViewCreator ad account. Cool. So now these are all added. So now we have those added. Let's add the TikTok. Jeez, my hair's getting crazy. Let's add the TikTok and anything else. Lennox said, the grind never stops, man. I zoned out working and lost a few hours. No joke. Got a ton done. What the heck? Maybe aliens got me. I don't know. Let's go, Lennox. We're always grinding around here. Gotta move forward every single day. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the same with Facebook and add my Facebook accounts. That time it failed. That's okay. Alright, so now I added those Facebook accounts and we're gonna connect them with the ViewCreator Meta Ad Suite. Alright, so now we have, and this is why we had to get that $400 plan, because I knew, alright, we're gonna be linking a lot of these, so let's link away. Alright, Doom. Alright, TikTok was blocking this. Let's try good old X. Elon, will you let me bot, please? Jeez, I forgot the password on this one. Psych. Think we forget passwords around here? Come on. Who do you think I am? Let's go! We got bot accounts out the wazoo. You hear that email in the background? That was me setting up another bot account. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's get another one. Alright, let's get that YouTube in here. Let's bot the YouTube. And bot those YouTubers. Let's go. Thanks, Danny. Alright, we're getting another bot account hooked up. Oh my gosh, that was an easy one. Alright, so YouTube's pretty easy to get hooked up. It was stopping my, I want to bot TikTok as well. Obviously, TikTok's an important one to get the bots on. But I was getting blocked here. Oh, you know what it is? I think it's, this organization already owns this social network. Okay, I think you know what I need to do? I need to actually go into TikTok here, and I need to log in. All right, guys, look, my boyfriend's glow up was insane. This is what people be watching on TikTok. Her boyfriend's glow up was insane. But now that I've brain rotted all you guys, we're good. Bot ransom. I need to log out. That's what I need to do. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Yep. Guys, I forgot about my, I literally didn't have time to eat. Got no time to eat. Got no time to sleep. Got no time to do anything. No time to do anything. That's really how it should be. Oh, shoot. I didn't even know what the password was. I think I used a passkey. I definitely used a passkey for this. That's why I used a freaking passkey. Passkey. No, I do not want to use a passkeys. Shoot. TikTok's holding me for ransom now, guys. They know I'm a bot. They figured it out. Shoot. Oh, okay. I think I'm good now. A TTS bypasser? What is that? What is a TTS bypasser? Okay. No, I got
Northwest picking her tongue made Blue Ivy the biggest winner. She
yeah.
developed pica. She tried to pull hair out of her mouth. She also likes to bite her nails. This has caused bad breath. She constantly chews gum to keep her breath fresh. When talking to others, she avoids...
Okay. Alright, so that's what people are watching these days on TikTok. So you guys are not missing out on anything. Sorry, I just had to save you guys from that. Alright, so we officially have added that. So now we have all of these hooked up. So how long was that? How long was that to do that? Just the first round, because now we have to do that 4 more times. So I think I should refuel I need to get this food. I need to refuel. But after we're gonna go ham because essentially we just completed the cycle, right? Like I went end to end. I know exactly how to do it. So, all right, I'm gonna heat up this food and we're gonna get started because that was end to end. We just hooked up all this. So, I mean, yeah, I think we know how to do this now. Yeah. All right, hold up. Right back. Nah, you're good, Kenny. Nah, we're grinding on marketing right now, and the grind doesn't stop, as you guys know. Yeah, thank you, Danny. Yeah, we've got plenty of work to do here. So basically, how this is gonna work is we've got 5 different profiles essentially. So we set up 5 different emails. All right. All right, hold on. All right. So here's how it is. We set up 5 different emails. All right, let me get the mic over here. We set up 5 different emails related to ViewCreator, and now that you have 5 emails, now you can go and you can create, with those 5 emails, you can create an account on Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, and what am I missing? And TikTok. So 5 accounts, 5 times 5 equals 25. Somebody can confirm with ChatGPT if they need to make sure that's the correct math, but I believe that does sound correct. So 25 accounts total, and then what we did is we're using Hootsuite, which with the $400 a month plan, we're able to hook up to an unlimited number of social media accounts. And then with those social media accounts, yeah, we're gonna be able to just absolutely spam marketing. So we'll just like spam, we'll do like 40 reels a day on all these accounts. So that's how we're gonna do marketing. And right now what you guys are seeing is you guys are seeing the grind that goes into that because we need to actually create all these accounts manually because you can't do it with like a bot. So we're gonna be grinding, that's for sure. Let's get it. This is fuel up. We're fueling up. I don't even have time to eat it these days, guys. I'm always grinding. I saw Dan dead. You're not freaking dead. Dude, Dan is so funny. Alright, Dan said your lawyer here. We agreed botting and spamming were not the ideal words to use. We're populating the airwaves with viral AI content. Not funny. Dude, I'm dead. That's hilarious. Yeah, you're right, man. We're just populating the airwaves. I mean, shoot, guys, I'll be honest. I have no plans. I'm that guy that makes no plans with anybody. I'm so locked in on what I'm doing right now. I'm not trying to waste any of my time. I'm like locked in. The only time I'll hang out with people is if it's like my family for like, that's it. All I'm focused in on right now is this business and making this work, because until I get to the point where this is working, nothing else really matters much. So yeah, so I'm all in. I really don't care anymore. Alright, I'm done eating. I'm wasting too much time. Back to work. Alright. Let's populate the airwaves, folks. Alright, so the next one I'm going to do is this ViewCreator.team. No, ViewCreator.channel. Let's do that. You guys hear that email? That's another account coming in. It's another asset under management. Because these are assets. Literally building assets right now. All right, TikTok's done. All right, time for, let's do X next. All right, we officially are on X. All right, we're on X. Another business asset. All right, now time for YouTube. All right, we got a new YouTube channel, folks. Oh, shoot. See you, Danny. All right, so now just Instagram and Facebook. Guys, I think if I just grind for like a minute straight, like, I mean, it's only 6:30, it's early, you know, so I think we'll be able to get it. Just keep grinding. All right, Instagram's done. I still have to switch to a professional account though. All you need to do to switch it to a professional account is just click like 2 buttons. So easy. Okay. I'm like learning a lot of new stuff right now. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing this for a minute. So, I think this is the way to do things, is to just, you know, create the accounts, you know, post from Hootsuite, and I think that's your marketing strategy. And it's great. Yeah, for real, Fuel by Primes, we're cooking. Let's go, Sebastian. You know we'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Gotta keep grinding. Let's go. That was another asset in my email. Check your WhatsApp messages. I never get these codes from Facebook. I don't think I've ever gotten an authorization code from Facebook. I think they do it on purpose. They're like, yeah, don't even send it to WhatsApp. Or don't even send it to the phone number. Only let them get it on WhatsApp. Thanks, Rohith. Yeah, we're vibing. This is our 10th account. Well, actually, we already have 10 accounts. We've done 10 accounts so far. We probably don't want to do all 25 in one session just because it may like send off the flags like, okay, this guy definitely is spamming. Like he created 5 accounts in like the same like 2-hour time span. So I probably will give it a rest here for today. But on Hootsuite, you know, what we're able to do now is we're now able to post all from Hootsuite. So, you know, the software, it's $400 a month. We have a 1-month free trial to be able to see if we can actually get this working. But what we're doing, you know, just to kind of put the bow on this stream, is we're setting up internal UGC campaigns. So internal UGC is where you create multiple different accounts on, you know, all these different platforms. And then you need a way to be able to actually host them and schedule posts that you're consistent, you have content. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to build an internal UGC campaign, and today was the start of it. We spent about, what's the stream at? We spent only 3 hours so far just getting that started. I just wanted to spend time doing that today and sharing it because this is a big part of our journey, guys, because if we haven't gotten the marketing figured out, then nothing else matters. You can have an amazing application, but if nobody ever sees it and you're just programming and you can't get it in front of people, then it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what we build if we can't get it in front of people. So what we need to do is the same level of intensity that we're giving to the project and the programming side of things. Now that we have enough done on the programming side to get to the point where we can probably decrease the amount of hours that we're spending programming. So we are probably going to move from programming 8 hours a day on the application, like 8 to 10, to like 3 to 5. And then what is going to make up that difference, right? Well, it's going to be marketing. Marketing is now going to come in for 3 to 5 hours because that's now, as if not more so important than building the actual product, because we do have a project that can scale and that does work. So that's it for today. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This was a big part of the story, so this is the first time I'm sharing it, but you guys definitely are in the know of what's going on now. So appreciate you guys being here, and tomorrow's gonna be great. So let's show up. Happy Halloween. I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I have no plans. I'm gonna be working through Halloween because, guys,